Hi. In this video we'll go over a hypothesis test for one mean, a t-test using given statistics. A popular hamburger restaurant advertises a quarter-pound burger. A consumer advocate group gets permission to collect data on the pre-cooked weight of a random sample of 40 hamburger patties. The sample revealed a mean weight of 0.241 pounds and a standard deviation of 0.06 pounds. Test the hypothesis that the mean weight is less than the advertised weight. Use significance level 0.05. Well, first let's write down the null hypothesis that the mean equals 0.25 pounds, the hypothesized or advertised weight. The alternative hypothesis is that mu is less than 0.25 pounds. That's what the consumer advocate group wants to see if there's evidence for. That's their concern. Let's go to the calculator to stat tests. And scroll down to the t-test. And we need to make sure that the right menu is selected. If data is selected, then you had better have a list of data. So we need to make sure statistics is selected. Be sure you press enter to actually select it. Mu 0 is just the null hypothesis H0, which is mu equals 0.25. X bar is 0.241, so we need to enter that one. 0.241. S, our sample standard deviation, is 0.06. N is our sample size. N is 40. And this next row has to do with our alternative hypothesis. Is it the case that our alternative hypothesis is mu not equal to 0.25? No. Is it the case that our alternative hypothesis is mu less than 0.25? Yes. Look at your alternative hypothesis as you wrote it. Make sure this matches. So on the calculator, I've got to select this. I've got to hit enter so that the alternative hypothesis is mu less than 0.25. Then come down to calculate and press enter. On screen we can see that we chose the left-tailed test, mu less than 0.25. We can see our test statistic is negative 0.94087, roughly about 0.95. This indicates that our sample mean was not even a full standard deviation below what we'd expect to see if the null hypothesis is true. What we found is really pretty consistent with the null hypothesis being true. We also look to the p-value to make this determination. The p-value here is 0.1743, and the rule is if the p-value is less than the significance level, we'll reject the null hypothesis. So we have 0.1743. This is not less than 0.05. So I do not reject the null hypothesis. So for now, it looks like the hamburger restaurant is doing their job. This concludes this video. I hope it's been helpful.